Hey guys, I'm back. Do I look different? Do I feel different? Yes, I mean, guys, I graduated college. I did it. I made it. I survived. So like I told you guys, I was going to take some time off to really focus on making sure I did everything to graduate. But I did it. Take a look at these pictures. I'm just gonna put them everywhere. I'm putting pictures and videos everywhere because I'm so excited. I'm a new person. It feels so good. If any of you all are in school or contemplating whether you should go to school, let me tell you, there is nothing like crossing that finish line. Walking across that stage changed my life. I feel like my family dynamic, I'm different. Everything's different. Life is just brighter, you know? So thank you guys for taking the time to really be patient with me this semester and allowing me to put my education first so that I can get to this point where now, as of last week, I am 100% a streamer, influencer, model. That's what I do. That's my job. That's what goes on my business cards. I don't have business cards, but that's me now. So that means that now we're about to really start diving into this. So let's do this. Let's go on this journey together. So I thought, obviously, if it's time for me to do my first video as a newly college graduate, why not do it with my favorite brand, rue21, right? They are just doing their new summer campaign, which is rue21's Summer of Love. Obviously, as usual, I went on and found some of their best items. I love them already. I have been waiting to wear them because I wanted you all to see them first. Let's look at these and see what's up. First up, I don't know if you guys remember a few videos back with the collab with Rue. I did the jogging suit, like the shorts with the matching hoodie, like this with the socks. Oh, I loved it so much. Like, it was seriously my favorite because that was so not me. I'm never like the jogging suit matching wearer type person until I got that one. Well, guys, I did it again. I did it again. I had to, but this time I didn't do shorts. I did the jogging suit pants, but that's because look at these greens. Look at that green. How do I say no to this? Like, look at the pictures. Look. I mean, I saw it and I was like, yes, this has to be me now. I'm still on the graffiti run right now. I honestly think that it's who I am now, so jump on the bandwagon with me. But I got this one. Now, when I saw it, obviously, had to get the matching graffiti pants. I love these. I love that they say paradise on them. I love that they have pictures of like little palm trees and whatnot on there. You get your little trippiness that says paradise. This is going to be a great little matchy outfit, you know, probably hair in a bun, some sneakers. This is a good to go type outfit. I love that blue one. I wear it all the time. So I decided to add this one to my collection. I'm telling you, if you all are wondering if you should be rocking these jogging suits, yes, those grout fits and whatnot, they're cool, but this is the way to go. If you're going to be wearing jogging suits, you need to add a little extra to your outfit because a jogging suit is kind of just meh, but these add that style to it. So outfit one, love it. Definitely let me know if you like this one. Let me know if you like that blue one too, because I don't know, but that was seriously one of my favorite outfits of the spring. Next up, we have a little, okay, with this shirt, I honestly just like this shirt because I'm really into like the trippy look. I like that smoky design in it. I love this. I really felt like this hits me. It's not too colorful, which is what I liked. I like that this is a unique little design, the melting face. I have really been wearing a lot of the trippy clothes lately. I don't know what's going on, but when I see them, they catch my eye, and I've really been trying to make sure I grab stuff that really is eye-popping. which is why I love this. So when I did this, I was trying to figure out what kind of pants I want to do with it. And would you know it, I found the perfect pants. Yes, some black and white pants. Guys, I have so many pants with this stripe down it. These are called accent colors. This is what makes the outfit better. By just adding that splash of color that matches into your shirts, into your jackets, into your hat, you are changing your whole outfit. This, love them, simple. Now I have about 3 pairs of black jeans, but they're all completely different. I couldn't wear them with everything. Just because you're wearing black does not mean it needs to be the same black, especially when it comes to jeans. Diversify your jeans. Even if you just wear blue jeans all the time, black jeans all the time, diversify them so that you can add that little extra to your outfit. So I definitely think that these are going to look so good. Next up, I actually went a little sporty. That's right, I am. Let me give you a spin. A new me. I'm trying to be a new and educated and earthly person, you know? So I am diversifying my wardrobe as well, which is why I decided to go with not 1, but 2 athletic looks, both with one of my favorite brands, Champion. The first one, they're actually the same shirt, which is why I just did different colors. And I just want to also show you how having the same type of shirt but changing the style can completely be different. Now look at this. I decided to go with, this is just a tank tee. You know, I'm gonna have to show off those arms. I'm not a big fan of that, you know, one day, maybe, you know. And I decided to go with the, pretty much like the basketball shorts with this one. So this is a very simple outfit. What I plan on wearing with this is probably some Converse, kind of going back to that like 90s like basketball look. That's what I was really going for with this. I used the red in this to be kind of the accent of that little red. These are those moments when you look at what you have. Like I could have tried to go with the blue, I could have gone with white, but the point was to make this red my accent color. You can't always match colors, but you know what's easy to match? An accent color. Because when you have such a small color in the shirt like this, your eyes will automatically match it to this. And that's why I did it. Finally, last outfit. And this is how I'm showing you all diversity. This is the exact same tank, but red. Now, I decided to go a completely different route with this. I could have gone with like a white shorts or black shorts to kind of make this work at its best, but I decided to go with some track pants. I really wanted to hone in on the color scheme altogether, that black, white, and red. So I decided to get track pants that would actually be all 3 colors. I'm getting that whitish gray, I'm getting that red, and I'm getting that black. So that's why this works for me. Now that you all have seen all of the outfits, it's time for my favorite part, which is trying them on. Let's start with the first outfit. Alright, so outfit number 1, the jogging suit. Gotta say, I dig it. I decided to go with the brown van to kind of bring in like that orange to kind of just lighten up the outfit a little bit. So I thought this would be the great little activewear. I dig it. Just to check it out. Like I said, I'm not usually a big fan of matching tops and bottoms, but after seeing that blue one, I knew that I loved this. So let me know what you think, if this was the right way to go. I dig these shoes with them. I just feel like they kind of help because they're a solid color. It really worked for them. So let's move on to the next outfit. Outfit number 2. I know I always say, oh my god, this outfit's my favorite every video, but this outfit is my favorite. So look, I decided to take away that black and white for the shoes and throw on some yellows. Yes, the yellow is a little off, but because it's an accent yellow, it'll work just fine. The black and white with the pop of yellow was exactly what this outfit needed. I think that the black pants with the white strip was exactly what this shirt needed. This shirt is a crazy design, and I think that all 3 work together. Let me know, Do you like this? Because if you don't, I will not agree with you. I love this outfit. I might keep this one on today. Alright guys, next outfit. I'm telling you, this makes me feel like NBA Jordan 1998 type style. Like this is that basketball style, you know. I really like this active look. That's why I went with the bun in the hair, the Converse, you know. I like that. This is that very active, just going out look that I really go for. I mean, it's simple. The colors are simple. I like this. I think this is a very champion look. So let me know. Do we like this? You know what? And I'm also starting to like, if you ever, I've always said I hate my legs, but I'm starting to get used to showing them off, showing a little me, you know? You like that? Isn't that cool? But yes, so now let's look at the last outfit. Okay, this is it. Last outfit, guys. I told you I was gonna be able to give you two different distinct styles, even though I'm rocking the same shirt, just a different color, and the same branded shirt. But I gave you that basketball looking style the last time with the Converse and the retro basketball shorts. This time I'm giving you those track pants, the Adidas shoes, and just the matching red top. So I made red and black my dominant colors. I dig this. This is like your active soccer. Just outdoors. You can even do this for basketball, but this is literally a completely different look than what we have with the shorts. That's what diversity means, being able to take the dang near the exact same clothes and give yourself a different look. Now, because it was that active look, I still felt like the bun was the best way to go. I made sure I did active shoes, high tops, obviously. I don't think that low top go with like this type of style. I tried the low top Adidas, I tried Vans, and I just felt like that skater look wasn't it either. But this was how it's supposed to go. I wanted to make sure I didn't put on red shoes because it was too much red. The red being at the base of these pants and in the shirt made this very manageable. It's not too bright, it's not too loud, it's very tamed, even though it's a color that's shouting at you. But yeah, I won't say this is my favorite one. We all know which one was my favorite one. But this one was good. Let me know what you all think. Which one of these outfits were your favorite and which one would you change a little bit? Alright, that's it. I really hope you like those outfits. And if you don't, you all never say anything down in the comments to let me know. But you all know I love to hear from you. Whether it's on my social media or it's in the comments below. Letting me know that no, this outfit did not work, boy. What were you thinking? Stop it. Or dang boy, you killed it. You knew exactly what you were doing and what you were on. That's important to me because I'm not always right. I sometimes think things work that in my head may not work to the rest of you all, and you can tell me that. I love getting that true criticism. Let's talk about a couple more things. One, I know you guys keep hearing me say I am a streamer now. That's because as of this month, I just signed a contract with one of the newest apps literally that just came out in America, the UK, and Canada, Pacocha. I will put a link to that in the comments so that you all can download the app and watch my streams. My streams are so much fun. All I do is really talk to you all. We play dumb games. We talk about fashion, everything. Whatever I'm feeling like that day. You won't always see me dressed in my nicest clothes. You might catch me in a Grinch onesie. It depends on the day. But my lives is how I spend most of my days. If you're interested in my day-to-day life, that's how you're gonna catch me. Also, make sure you're checking out my TikTok, my Instagram, especially to see these outfits. And make sure you all are going to check out rue21's new campaign and collection because I love all these clothes, but you guys gotta remember, I just choose my favorite. There's so much more on their website, on their Instagram that can really show you a lot of their merchandise. I will be putting the link to all of these specific outfits so that you guys can check these out. And I'll put the link to the app, so if you guys want to start following me streaming, that would be dope. And yeah, as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you soon.